I'm going to take you through a bit of an update on the SPL MixDream since I've set it up. Just kind of tell you what's going on. I've gotten to use it just a little bit, not really too much yet. I'm using the Apogee Ensemble Thunderbolt. And what I'm doing is I'm actually using the ADAT out to a FerroFish A16AE converter. There's only 8 outputs on the Ensemble. There's 16 channels on the SPL MixDream. So I got this converter to expand the Apogee for use with just this this summing box. I particularly just got it just for that. It's a pretty nice converter. I mean, it's not the best in the world, but for the price point, I think I paid, same company I got for the SPL. I think in America they go for about $1,100. I picked this thing up for about, I think with shipping and conversion rate, about $820. And it sounds pretty good. Pretty nice stereo image, clarity. I'd say it's probably as good as the converters and the Apogee Ensemble. It also allows me, because it has 16 out and 16 in, to not use up my inputs on the Ensemble. So I can run the 16 channels out of the converter into the SPL MixDream and then back into the FerroFish converter. And then that goes via ADAT back into the Ensemble. That way I'm not back there switching all kinds of cables out. I can leave my snake hooked up all the time, so I don't have to switch the back when I'm going from recording to mixing. I also have my LA610 MK2 going into the converter, FerroFish. Also my my GSSL. It's a clone of the SSL G-Series compressor that I built for a fraction of the price. There's stuff online. If you're interested in those, you can just message me. It's a pretty simple build if you know how to solder and how to follow directions. That leaves me the 8 outputs on the Ensemble to go out to the line in on the preamp and go to the left and right on the compressor. I can essentially utilize the outs on the Ensemble to running audio out of it, and continue to use the additional, I guess, 4 that I have left for outboard gear in the future. And so I have a dedicated converter just for the SPL. I got to test the SPL out on just a set of drums. I didn't go into you know, getting everything in a session into it. I just kind of wanted to do a quick setup and see how it goes. And from what I found, a little bit that I used it, it sounded nice and big. The stereo image was wide, and you know, didn't get a huge chance to get into it, but that will be the next video. This is kind of just showing you the kind of setup that I have going on with the SPL MixDream. Again, making these because there's little to nothing on the SPL MixDream. Usually don't make videos, but figured what the hell, I'll do it. And if anyone's interested, cool, send me a message. Next video will be me actually showing you setup inside Logic 10 on how to route everything to the MixDream, and then an official review. I should be getting to some mixing later this week, if not next week, and I'll really get to get this thing rocking and rolling and see what it sounds like with everything going through it. All right, see ya.